In stock market news today, Dow Jones Industrial Average is continuing its climb, although on very low volume. And yesterday, the U.S. government had trouble selling its treasury bills, the debt of the government. The risk-free rate, they call it, is no longer the risk-free rate. I just read Berkshire Hathaway and Lowe's has lower interest rate on their debt than the U.S. government, which was called the risk-free rate when I was in college at Purdue in 1983-85, which I said, really, is there such a thing as a risk-free rate? And right now, the U.S. government is not the least risky debt in the world. Interest rates are rising. The fundamentals of the U.S. government piling on so much debt and the interest rate that the U.S. government is going to have to pay on this debt based on the income the U.S. government is going to get is making the cost of the government debt, the interest, go up. And we have seen in other countries throughout the world, Greece and European countries, that there are financial fundamental problems with government finances that are coming over to the United States. I think this fundamental problem will have an effect on the stock market in the United States. And as well, the Chinese stock market, which is sort of acting as a harbinger to the U.S. stock market, world stock market, has a technical analysis has shown that the Chinese stock market 50-day moving average has moved down below the 200-day moving average, which they call a major technical analysis is a major turning point and a downward shift for the market. So as I said last week, I think that we can expect the U.S. market, although it has been climbing steadily for the last month on very low volume, to probably take a downturn in the near future. Maybe not today, but I'd say in the near future you should be aware that the trend is your friend. The current trend is up, and it's smart to follow it, but there are a lot of indicators, technical and fundamental reasons why the trend should shift downward pretty soon. I want to thank all the members of my investment club and hedge fund clients for their support, and I will continue to try to give you the best advice and the best work I possibly can to help you make the most money with the least risk in your portfolios, because money is what it's all about. Money makes the world go around, and right now the world is in a new era. The United States is in a new era, and we have to learn to adapt to our circumstances. And I can assure you that I am continually adapting and coming up with new ideas and exploring other ideas on how to optimize your wealth and minimize your risk, because money is what it's all about.